ما تنساش تعمل اشتراك في القناة. يلا بينا.
Each year in this state, nearly 900 workers are seriously injured. Some die from falling off ladders. The Washington State Department of Labor and Industries has rules for the use of ladders in the construction industry that could save your life. Although not covered by LNI's rules, the homeowner can learn how to safely use ladders on LNI's website, lni.wa.gov. Whoops, too late. It's important to make sure the ladder has solid footing and both hands are free while climbing. No, don't do that. Go to lni.wa.gov to learn how to use a ladder safely. Fortunately, he's a professional stunt performer. You might not be that lucky. Learn how to use ladders safely.